Oh, Ricco has been playing video games for a very long time, but Ricco's feeling hungry. I wonder if a banana... No, wait. Banana bread. Where's the banana bread? Hey, do we have banana bread?
You just ate all of it, but I would recommend trying to check in the factory next door. Maybe they make it.
There's a banana bread factory? Oh my goodness. We must go to the factory. Okay, let's go. Hello, this is Ricco.
Hello there. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Pink Friend.
Well, hello, Pink Friend. I think we have met, but where are we?
We're in my factory where it produces miscellaneous items because yes.
Oh, well, Ricco is hungry for banana bread. Can your factory produce banana bread?
Well, I mean, yeah.
Okay, well, do it. Do it for Ricco. Make the banana bread.
Okay, but it's my lunch break right now, so I have to go. But I have to give you a tutorial first because So, you see that bag over there?
Oh, yes? Okay.
You need to grab the red bags from under it. Don't grab the black bricks. They really hurt if you drop them on your toes, and that happens all too often. And then
Okay.
place them on the belt that you're standing on right now.
Yes, oh, it's this slippery. Okay, yeah.
Yeah? Push it into the curtain, and then stuffs will come out of here. Right, and hopefully it will be banana bread. Anyways, that's a tutorial. I gotta take my lunch break now. Okay, look. Okay, bye, Ricco. Bye.
Okay, Ricco will do his best. Okay, Ricco has found the red brick. Okay, now we're going to push it into the factory for the banana bread. Okay, it's going. Okay, go ahead. There it goes. Oh, okay. Here comes the banana bread. But what? This is not the banana bread. This will not be a snack. Oh, I guess should we try again? Okay, we go try again. Okay, different red brick. Maybe this one will make the banana bread. Here's hoping. Cross your fingers. We need banana bread. Oh, this is also not banana bread. This is like poison. But Ricco cannot have this for a snack. This is like antifreeze. If you get antifreeze, you will die. Do not do that. Ricco has a new brick. We put on, and this time banana bread, not the soccer ball or the poison antifreeze. Banana bread machine. Stupid factory. Sorry, that is not polite. You nice, friendly factory. Okay, go. Well, that's not okay. Maybe that's a good sign. We're hoping. I hear coming. Here it comes. Okay. It's working hard for what? Look like gears or something. Is the machine breaking? I think parts of the machine have just like fallen out. This banana bread! Banana bread!
Looks like the machine's breaking it down. I really gotta fix that.
Okay.
I'll take these gears.
Okay.
Have a good time trying to get banana bread.
Am I still putting the red bricks on the machine? Is it going to happen?
Maybe you could try and hurt your toes, put a black brick in, see if that does anything else.
Okay, Ricco, I'll try and get down here and get a black brick.
And also, FYI, black bricks produce a bunch more items.
Oh, it's so hot, it's so heavy. But Ricco got the big black brick. And where is the machine? Oh, no, it's not.
Okay, it's finally fixed.
Oh, there we go. Okay. We got the big one on. There we go. We'll see if this one works. Go, machine. Banana bread! Banana bread! Banana! Oh, but it was not bread. Ricco likes bananas, but Ricco's really hoping or banana bread. Whoa! Oh! Bread, but not banana bread.
Please catch the bread.
Dang. Okay. Should Ricco put another brick on? Ricco, get it big. Oh, it's so heavy. Oh, banana boot. Banana boot? But it's not even a banana, it's a boot. Like Ricco wants a banana bread. Make a banana bread. Oh. Okay, the machine might be working. The parts came back. Okay, Ricco will try. Oh, it's so heavy. It's so heavy. Oh, okay. Here we go. We send it. Here we go. Oh.
Wait. Why am I on here? Why am I on here?
This is not how this machine is supposed to work, I am thinking. Okay, big friend. You need some help? Oh, my 4 parts of the machine? We're going back down there, big. Oh, look! It's the banana bread! Oh, finally! Yay! Praise the banana bread machine! Thank you, pig friend!
So, I guess this means that I don't have a worker anymore.
Oh no, Ricco's going to eat the banana bread. Ricco out. See ya. Okay, we finally got the banana bread and we are back playing the video games. Thanks, friend. I love your factory.
Ricco! Get the monsters!
Ricco's eating the banana bread. Ricco doesn't find it. Okay. The banana bread. Ooh. Okay. Good job, pink friend. Hey, that's Ricco. Okay. Bye-bye now.